Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Back in Grammar 1.3.1, we already looked at how to use the to be verb, 是. I am a student, 我是学生. You're not a student, 你不是学生. The word 是 is always followed by a noun, right? 我是学生, right? Student, 学生 is a noun. Now, how do you say these sentences in Chinese? I am good. Chinese food is delicious. Well, if you use 是 here, then it becomes 我是好, but that's not correct. Because good here is not a noun, right? Good, 好. This is an adjective. With adjectives, you cannot use 是 to express the idea. We need something else, right? Now, is it useful to be able to describe things, to be able to use adjectives to describe things? You want to be able to describe things. Let's turn our textbook to page 42 and take a look at grammar point number 2. Simply put, the word am or is here can be expressed with the word 很, 很, meaning very. For example, I am good. 我很好. That means I'm very good. 我很好. Or simply 我好. I'm good. Right? So as you can see, we can simply omit the 是 here, right? Because 是 can only be used with nouns, right? You cannot say 我是好. You have to say 我好. Or with more degree, 我很好. I'm very good. Okay? Or simply 我好. Chinese food is delicious. 中国菜很好吃. Or simply 中国菜好吃, right? Without 很. But you cannot say 中国菜是好吃. That is wrong. You cannot say that. Because 是 has to be followed by a noun. Okay? 好吃, delicious is not a noun. So you must omit the 是 or add 很 in there. If you want to say Chinese food is not delicious, then you can simply replace 很 with 不. 不 means not, right? Chinese food is not delicious. 中国菜不好吃. 中国菜不好吃. I don't like it. 中国菜不好吃. My Chinese is not good. 我的汉语不好. 我的汉语不好. Now let's do a quick practice. Try and say these sentences in Chinese. My mom's Chinese is not good. How do you say my mom? Yes, 我妈妈. How do you say my mom's Chinese isn't good? 我妈妈的汉语不好. Very good. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.